Every day, billions of crispy potato chips are enjoyed around the world. But have you ever wondered how a simple potato favorites? Everything begins on carefully managed potato farms, where only large, healthy, and fully mature potatoes. High-speed peeling machines gently remove the potato skins in just seconds. Carefully controlled frying transforms simple potato slices into the crispy chips people love. Now comes the flavor stage, where carefully measured seasonings are added to create different tastes enjoyed by millions of people.
The chips are passing the color and size tests with excellent consistency.
That's great. Let's keep the batch moving.
Crisp snacks, from the factory floor to supermarkets around the world. Behind every crunchy bite is a carefully controlled manufacturing process designed to deliver consistent quality in every package.
The temperature is holding steady.
Good. Let's optimize the flow on line 3.
Adjusting parameters now.
Many factories also recycle water, improve energy efficiency, and reduce waste to make production more sustainable. What looks like a simple snack is actually the result of advanced engineering, precision technology, and years of food manufacturing expertise. Advanced automation allows every potato to follow the same precise journey, from the farm to a perfectly sealed bag.
From a single potato to a perfectly crispy chip, every step depends on precision, technology, and careful quality control.
The next time you open a bag of potato chips, you'll know just how much science, engineering, and innovation goes into every crunchy bite. Through advanced robotics, AI inspection, and smart logistics, we redefine culinary excellence. Thanks for joining us inside the modern potato chip factory. If you enjoyed discovering how everyday products are made, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating